How to fix Roblox Error Code 272 on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve this disconnection error and get back into your games. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel and check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. After that, close Roblox completely by swiping it away from your recent apps and reopen it to see if the error clears. From there, long press the Roblox icon from your home screen and tap App Info. Right here, tap on Storage, then go ahead and tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files. Next up, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop, then tap OK to confirm. Moving on, open the Play Store, search for Roblox, and install any available update. Outdated versions are one of the most common causes of this error. From here, if the error is still showing up, go back to App Info, tap on Storage, and this time tap Clear Data. Tap OK to confirm, keeping in mind you'll need to sign back in afterwards. After that, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Following this, once your device boots back up, open Roblox and try joining a game again. Finally, if the error keeps appearing, it could be a server-side issue on Roblox's end. Give it some time and try again later, as it usually resolves on its own. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.